Let me tell you the daily routine of a local worker in Baghdad. A typical day for a local worker in Baghdad who's studying English in Baghdad University starts early in the morning. He wakes up at 4 a.m., stretches his body, brushes his teeth, takes a shower, and gets dressed. He prepares breakfast for himself, usually consisting of eggs, bread, and tea, and then leaves home by 5 a.m. to avoid traffic. The worker commutes to work by bus or taxi, listening to music or reading a book on the way. He arrives at work by 6 a.m. and begins his shift. As a diligent and hardworking employee, he checks emails, answers phone calls, and attends meetings. He's reliable and takes his job seriously. At 12 p.m., the worker takes a break for lunch. He usually brings his own food from home, but sometimes he goes to a nearby restaurant with his colleagues. He enjoys chatting with them and taking a break from work. After lunch, the worker continues his work until 4 p.m. When he finishes his shift, he heads to Baghdad University for his English classes. He walks to the university, which takes about 20 minutes, and arrives there by 5 p.m. The worker studies English for 3 hours, from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. He is determined to improve his language skills and works hard to do so. He participates actively in class, asks questions, and practices his speaking and writing skills. After class, the worker walks back home, arriving by 9 p.m. He eats dinner, spends some time with his family, and then goes to bed early to get enough rest for the next day. Throughout his day, the worker exhibits various qualities such as diligence, hard work, reliability, determination, and punctuality. He's also friendly, sociable, and enjoys interacting with his colleagues and classmates. The routine of a local worker in Baghdad who is studying English in Baghdad University is busy but fulfilling. From waking up early in the morning to working diligently at his job, attending English classes, and spending time with his family, the worker exhibits various qualities and abilities, such as early bird, hardworking, reliable, determined, sociable, and family oriented. Thank you very much.